Toshi is currently in a healthy uptrend. If you're paying attention to the move so far, it has been forming a higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, where the market cap has dropped slightly to around $244 million. Now, let's even look at the chart real quick to see what Toshi is saying. Now, if you're paying attention to Toshi chart on the 4-hour time frame, I think all what we said in the previous videos for Toshi has happened. Do you understand? I told you guys the moment we are sweeping this liquidity around 0.000051, then we should expect Toshi to tap into this bearish order block, get a rejection from there. I think Toshi tapped into the bearish order block with like 3 attempts, you understand? And then the 4th attempt, we flipped it into a support, and we are now sending to this price level I gave you guys in the previous video, which is around 0.000630. You get, we are left with 21 minutes until this current 4-hour candle closes. My name is Isaac. For those new to this channel, if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please subscribe, turn on the bell icon to get notified each time I drop new video like this. If you're yet to like this video, destroy the like button, smash the like button, like this video, give it a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, to your Twitter, WhatsApp, Telegram, whatever place you can share it to. So thank you. Let's proceed. We are going to be looking at the BTC dominance chart on the monthly time frame as well, and also the dominance chart on the 4-hour time frame. I specifically told you guys we are going to get a bounce from here, which is what is currently happening. We are also going to look at the BTC price chart. BTC is currently at $118,000. Well, we are also going to talk about the orders chart, and not to forget the total 3 market cap chart. You know, Toshi has been like making me proud, and like I've said countless times, I'm still grateful. I was privileged in jumping on Toshi when the market cap was around 1.4 million. The current market cap is seated at $245 million. Now, I sold about 60% of my Toshi holdings when we got to around $900 million in market cap. I think I made about 700x, right, in profit, or 800x technically, in profit from my Toshi entry in 2023. Toshi is undeniably the OG of the base ecosystem. And this current market cap you're seeing here is going to double, is going to quadruple, is going to go 10 times very, very soon, 20 times, 30 times very, very soon. By the time this market cap goes 10 times, we should be expecting a $2.4 billion market cap for Toshi coin. I'm going to offload my Toshi holdings by the time we get to around $4 billion to $5 billion in market cap for Toshi. I'm still left with 40% of my Toshi holdings, which I haven't sold any since then. Toshi is going to melt faces. The current trading volume is seated at $25.4 million, which sooner or later we will begin to see a trading volume of $1 billion for Toshi in a full-blown altcoin season. You all have to seize the opportunity real quick while you still can. Now, the zone around 0.00063 is a very, 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 very important level for the price of Toshi on the 4-hour time frame and also on the daily time frame. The moment we are breaking above it, breaking out, invalidating that zone, then flipping it into a support, then forget about it. We are going to start making a new high, like I'm talking about massive high, all the way to 0.0007, and like start making a massive move to the upside, because there will be nothing stopping Toshi by then, as long as the market sentiment continues to favor altcoins. In our previous video, I specifically drew you guys attention to this level, which I'm expecting a bounce for the BTC dominance, and the level around 64.54%. That was exactly what happened. It's almost as if the BTC dominance on the 4-hour time frame had the instruction we gave to get a reversal pump from there. Now, we are currently seated at 64.82%. We are left with 40 minutes until this current 4-hour candle closes. If you're paying attention, BTC price has retraced a little bit to $117,000. Ethereum retraced to $2,986. The fear and greed index, the entire cryptocurrency market fear and greed index, is seated at 67%, indicating greed. In a full-blown altcoin season, we can be in the greed and extreme greed zone for weeks and months. The altcoin season index is currently indicating 31%, but we are still in the BTC season. So soon we are going to be approaching the altcoin season. The moment this BTC dominance chart on the monthly time frame breaks below this strong resistance, breaks below 60%. The 60% level is a psychological price level for the BTC dominance. The moment we are breaking below the 60%, retesting the resistance, then we should expect further price drop to the downside. Now, it will be wise to start taking massive profit the moment the BTC dominance approaches 47%. Start taking massive profit off your asset, and the moment it gets to 39%, which is the historical bottom for the BTC dominance, because that was what happened in 2021 bull market cycle. Same thing happened in 2018 market cycle. The month of May was usually the bottom for the BTC dominance, but a lot of things changed this time around in this market cycle, which affected the timing of the market. Like I've said in the previous video, it can only be delayed but not denied. The altcoin season is inevitable. BTC pumped all the way to $118,404. BTC is still currently leading the way in as much as altcoins are already recovering, as you can see over here. Most altcoins are gradually recovering now, but we need to see the BTC price cool down for a moment, and we need to see the BTC dominant retrace aggressively. Like I've said countless times, the moment you start seeing the BTC dominance retrace aggressively to the downside, that is deep dump to the downside, and you see the BTC price pumping, then the altcoin market are going to explode in price. But the moment the BTC dominance start pumping to the upside and BTC price is pumping, the altcoins are going to bleed. And if the BTC price is dumping and the BTC dominance is pumping, then altcoins are going to dump the hardest. If the BTC dominance is dropping to the downside, dumping, and the BTC price is consolidating, moving sideways in a ranging phase, then altcoins are going to have a relief rally. So you all should pay attention. The last time the BTC dominance corrected -4%, I think we had a massive move. Some altcoins were pumping 40%, 100% in a day. That was a few months ago. Just 4% correction. Now imagine what will happen when the BTC dominance start correcting -10%, -20%, -30%, -39%. It's going to be monstrous. The gains are going to be out of this world, seriously. So you all have to take every dip seriously. Every healthy pullback you see on any chart now should be taken seriously. Healthy pullback, high probability pullback. Now this is the others cryptocurrency market chart on the weekly time frame, excluding top 10 cryptocurrencies in the crypto space. The current market cap is seated as $264 billion. We are left with 2 days and 17 hours until this current weekly candle closes. Now, I think we're constantly updating you guys about this others chart when we're even yet to get this massive pump on this weekly candle. And I told you guys previously, when several months ago, when this others chart formed this pattern, we broke out, flipped it into a support, and then got a massive rally of over 5 weeks to the upside. Now, that was in 2024, by the way. Same thing has now flashed. Same chart pattern has now presented itself. And what happened? When it presented itself, we flipped it into a support, and we are now we broke out, flipped it into a support, and we are now currently pumping to the upside. By the way, before I proceed, once again, if you're here to like this video, please smash the like button. If you're here to subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell icon to get notified each time I drop new video. I think this pump is going to be more massive than the previous pump we had. This time around, we might end up taking out this $491 billion, which was the previous high in the last market cycle, November 8, 2021. The reason why I think we are going to take out that previous high is because from the look of things, this pump, the pump we are going to have next is going to align with the altcoin season. And the moment the BTC dominance start dumping aggressively and BTC continue her pump or consolidate, then altcoin season is going to be in play immediately, which this orders chart is going to explode to the upside. We might even tap into $600-700 billion market cap for the orders chart. Now, considering the high adoption rate, the institutional adoption, government involvement, and all that, I even think we might end up tapping into the $1 trillion, 1 point something trillion dollar zone. It might even go beyond that. You never can tell. This is the crypto total market cap excluding BTC and Ethereum. We call it the total tree market cap. You understand, the total tree chart. The total tree chart on the daily time frame is left with 16 hours and 33 minutes until this daily candle closes. Now, we are currently seated at $912 billion in the total tree chart. We need to finally sweep this liquidity right here to tap into this bearish order block, which we are likely to get a slight correction from there, bounce from this previous liquidity we swept, and then finally invalidate the bearish order block. The moment we are invalidating it, flipping it into a support, then I think we are going to begin to tap into the $1 trillion, 1.5, 2 trillion, 2.5 trillion dollar zone for the total tree. So as always, my name is Isaac. Invest wisely. Peace out.